Sit. Good boy.
That's a British badger, sitting and being told good boy. Now let's compare it to the American badger. Do you think the American badger is sitting and being told good boy? The American badger would tell me to sit, and I would, immediately. This is the same animal, just different passports. I would tuck the American badger in bed. I would read the American badger a bedtime story. I don't think people quite comprehend when I tell them the actual difference between a British badger and an American badger. The British badger is house trained. It will sit, it will take a treat. The American badger is going through a divorce. The American badger is the definition of around and find out, and I'm not willing to find out. I hope I never, ever encounter an American badger within a 500-foot radius minimum.